In this video, I will talk about another key, which is the Shift key. You can use Shift key to select a bunch of layers with just one click. For example, let's select this layer, hold Shift, then click at this layer to select both of them and everything in between. Then you can move them, rotate them, or do whatever you like. Shift is useful with brush tool. With it, you can make a perfect horizontal or vertical lines. Let me make a new layer. Select the white, select the brush, adjust its size, and hold Shift, click and drag to make a perfect horizontal or vertical line like so, or even at any angle. For example, click right there, hold Shift, then click right here to make straight lines. What is amazing about it is that you can play in the brush panel. For example, increase the spacing like so to make dotted line like that. This option works also with eraser tool, clone stamp tool, spot healing and healing brush tool, and also the pen tool. Let me show you. Click right there, hold Shift to make perfect horizontal straight line. Here is vertical, etc., etc. You can use the Shift key for selecting. For example, I want to select those three layers, so I will click right there, Shift click right there, and Shift click right there. And also it's very useful with moving. If I want to move them perfectly horizontal, I can hold Shift, or perfectly vertical, I can also hold Shift.